These videos are kinda superhero videos for me because I can't imagine how hard it is. It's so long! Hi Purple, this is the longest weeks I ever had. And I'm gonna try one of these. What color should I start from? Okay, as I said, blue. First of all, I need to make 2 braids and you need to follow stars and not to miss anything good. I can do braiding, and if you cannot, just text braid in comments. I'm sweating. Sorry. I really don't know how to hide this baby hair. It's time for a cap. I don't know why these caps are too small for me always. Hope it works. I hope you won't make screenshots. I'm Elfie. I have a glue near the hairline. I'm gonna glue it all. Why my hairline is so crooked? The freedom. Actually, I don't know how to fix this because it's glued with my hairs. I'm gonna hide the corners. But I still hope it will be okay. Not okay at all. And it's finally week time. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whew. I don't see anything. Wow. The video is already quite long. I'll come back in the second part.